you won't believe, I used to spend 2 hours recording this, re-recording it, going through the script and coming back, memorizing the script, forgetting it, going back again to the script, coming back again. So it was like I was all over the place. So guys, this is going to be a very small and very random video that I'm going to make. The reason why I'm making this is because situation that I came across in my life recently and I thought of sharing it with you. And it is regarding inconsistency. See, now if you've been following along my journey and if you've been watching my YouTube channel, I've been posting every single week. So most of the time, all the videos that I create are way ahead of the time when they are getting posted. So let's say if today this video, if you're looking at on certain date, it may have been recorded a couple of weeks ago. So I was that advanced on all the videos that I used to create. And that was all because of one particular fact, that I have to give time to the practice and consistently show up every single week, which unfortunately I dumped in the last few months. And I had a sort of a setback in two ways. One way, that I started getting anxious because now I have missed out a few weeks and I started getting to panic when I had to make videos like these because I was just a week in advance of making my videos. But I fell out of that practice just because of the fact that I became maybe a little more overconfident. I thought I've been able to do this from a very long time, which is not really so much given the time that I've started creating these videos. And in comparison to the people who have been building their channels from last, I don't know, years. And I thought that I'd gone really good at it and I've consistently showing up. I can skip a day or a week and do it the next time. But the thing is, whenever you're consistently showing up, not just for the people, but also for the sake that you want to get better in the things that you wanted to do. Earlier, when I used to make videos, I used to spend you won't believe, I used to spend 2 hours recording this, re-recording it, going through the script and coming back, memorizing the script, forgetting it, going back again to the script, coming back again. So it was like I was all over the place. It was a very, very long process when I used to make videos. So the reason why I fell into this practice of making 2 videos every week was because I wanted to practice to speak more, to have more conversation in front of the camera so that I can get more calm, more consistent, and also develop that kind of a confidence in delivering a 5-minute video in, let's say, a half an hour's time instead of spending a couple of hours. Over the period of time, I was able to compress that time and I got a little complacent. And that's where the downfall of my consistency and practice started to happen. The next video that I created after giving a gap, after getting a little complacent, it took me 40 minutes. And that was huge for me. So now that doubled the time from my previous time. And I was like, man, I'm back to the square one. And this is, guys, this is the lesson that I've learned. If you get overconfident, if you get too complacent in the work that you do, you will see a setback. Just by missing 2 weeks, I got back to square one by creating one video in more than 40 minutes. Consistency is the key, not just for the fact that you have promised somebody and you wanted to show up. Yes, you have to do it because this is the problem. Because if you have stood up in solving a problem for somebody, then you should also commit into the practice. And the practice is not just for the people, but also for yourself, because you are not just accountable to people, but you're also accountable to yourself. And fortunately, I've been able to be consistently showing up, but I fell back on my practice. And that costed me a lot of time. It costed me anxiety. It caused me panic. And I learned a lesson that I never want to do this again. And I want to keep up the practice, even though I think that I've gotten better, but there is still a long way to go. So yeah, I just wanted to share this experience and what is the value of practice, what is the value of consistently showing up. And I hope you don't commit the same mistake that I did. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this. And if you liked it, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Stay tuned for the next video in the series. Till then, take care.